guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my backyard tour. Round 29 again. Yes guys, I'm gonna make this quick because it's raining very hard right now. Very hard right now. Let's go. Here's the boxing ring. Here's the boxing ring and here's the trampoline in 2020. It's got Christmas Yves tonight. Everything on my list. I can't wait. Here is my practice facility 2020. Here's the open practice field. Bam. Yeah guys, it's very windy. Yeah guys, it's just windy, so we gotta hurry up. There it is guys. Bam! It's supposed to rain. For that, yep, it is fogged. I can see! There it is, guys. Bam. There's the spare locker room. There's the facility. Guys, as you come into the facility, we have extra team space right here, see guys? Bam. See? Extra team space. Got the lounge with my dad's tractor. It's gonna snow, I guarantee you. Friday, it's supposed to rain and it's gonna get snow. Today's Friday and it's raining and it's snowing. Yeah guys, it just started snowing hard, so we gotta hurry up. Film crew, hurry up! Film crew, hurry up! Here it is, guys. Yes, guys, I'm playing running back this year. We may have our first snow practice. Can't wait! Let's go! There's that. There. Bam. It's raining. It's windy. Here is the Kubota Fun Zone. Here's a bridge. Here's a choice. There's that. Beer. Oh God! Holy God! Oh wow! Okay. Oh! Thunder lightning! Hey! Thunder lightning! See guys? Bam! I don't have school at all. Yes, I'm walking through the wet water. There's guys. There's where the cupcake has go. There it is. There it is, guys.